Hi guys, my name is Axel Mulat. In this video, we will customize the important settings of this WordPress self-hosted site. Let's jump into the admin area and go to the settings, general first. In this general section, if you want to edit your site title, tagline, you can edit this field if you want. This option is also available in the theme customizer like we do in the previous video. This option. If you want to change your admin email, you can change this in save. And you can choose your preferred time zone, date format, time format, and language. And week starts on day you prefer. This language, if you change this language, this function take effect in the admin area. If I change to Dutch, this text will be changed to Dutch language. Okay, let's back to this option, the WordPress address URL and site URL address. If you want to add a www on your website, you can do to this option, just add a www and save, and let's see what happened. Save changes, and as you see, we're logging out. Let's log in again to the admin, and let's reload the public side. And now guys, as you see, the URL is added a www, and also the admin added a www. It's your choice guys, what you prefer. If you add a www to your website, that's fine. If you want non-www, that's fine. My website axelmulat.com has a non-www. It doesn't matter. Adding a www to your website has no impact to the SEO. I research. It doesn't matter which you use as long as you set correctly the preferred domain in the Google Webmaster Tool. And let me show you my Google Webmaster Tool. And as you see, my website Axel Mulat is non-www, but I add a www version. I add both as long as you set correctly the preferred domain. Let me show you the preferred domain of this www version, site settings, and I set to the preferred domain to the non-www. It's your choice. I will teach this guys in a separate video to my YouTube channel. Be sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to get WordPress latest tips and updates. Okay, let's back. I prefer the non-www. I will edit the URL, remove this, and save. Okay, back to writing. The general is done. Okay, this section, there have an option here, the default post category. If you create a new post, if you forgot to assign a category, it will be filed automatically to uncategorize, which is no sense. You can change this default post category. Let's change this. Go to posts and categories. And add categories, update new categories. This is the new default categories, updates, and add category. And now added. And let's back to the settings, writing, and choose your new default category. If you create a new post, we will file automatically to updates category, but you can change if you want. Save changes. And let's back to the post categories. And let's delete the uncategorized. Delete. Okay. Okay. We will go to the reading, guys. We will back to the writing. In this section, reading settings, there have an option here, front page display. This option will be change your homepage display. We done this, guys, in the previous video. We changed the homepage display to the simple business photography website. If you want, choose this and select your new homepage display. If you want to assign your blog post to another page, you can choose of this page. That page, guys, I already deleted because that is example. Let's back to this, your latest post. If you want to change your number of posts display in the home page, you can change this value. For example, I have 2 posts only. Let's change this, for example, to 1 and save. The number of posts will be displayed to 1 only. Reload. And the number of posts will be displayed to number 1 only. And the next post will be in the pagination. This is the next post. Back to the first page. I prefer this number of blog posts to the home page is number 8. And save changes. Since now, guys, we're in the live in the internet, in the previous video, in the local WordPress web development, we check this Discourage search engine from indexing the site. Let's uncheck this because we're in the live. Save changes. And that's all for reading settings. Let's back to the writing because we need to add one more additional settings. This option will display this update service if you uncheck the Discourage the search engine. And now it display. Let's update this service. Click this new tab and copy this URLs, copy and paste. Let's back. Okay. This services, guys, is a ping services. When you publish a new post, WordPress automatically notify the following site update service. Save changes. Okay, let's go to the discussion settings. Click discussion. In this section, discussion settings, there have a list of options here, but we will talk the important option. For example, this, a comment is held for moderation. If you want to moderate a comment before show to the post page, just leave it checked. If you don't want to moderate a comment, that comment will be automatically displayed to the post page or post comment. Just leave it checked. If someone put a bad comment of your blog post, you can block his IP address by putting of his IP address here. In every comments, there have a IP address. Here, this is IP address. Copy this IP address and put it to the comment block list section. If you have a lots of bad comments, you can separate by line. And if you save this, that guy can't access your WordPress website. In this section, avatar, I leave this default. If someone leave a comment to your blog post, Of course, the user put his name, email, website in his comment. If that email doesn't have a Gravatar account, his profile picture display to your comment section of this default Gravatar icon. Let's back to the comment section. And this is me, and because this email has a Gravatar account, the Gravatar pick the profile picture and display to your comment section. If that email doesn't have a Gravatar account, it will display to this default Gravatar icon. Okay? Any modification, save changes? Let's go to the media. I guess there's no option here. Yes, leave this default, guys. This is for team support. And lastly, permalink. We done this already. Just choose the custom structure and put this /% category, %/ postname, %/. This URL, guys, is SEO friendly URL. I hope this video, guys, is very helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get WordPress updates, tips, and tricks. See you next video. Bye.